guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam Crystal Floral Hurricanes. And so what you're going to need, you will need some of these Angel Tears pendants. They are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some rhinestone buckles, or you can use something from a mixed pack like this. These are from Totally Dazzled, and this is a rhinestone, silver, and pearl embellishment packet. This mixed pack, again from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now, what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these glass hurricanes. You'll need 1 pack of these Tealight holders, and optionally you could use, for a pedestal, you could use one of these taper candle holders, so you will need at least 1 of them. I'm not sure which direction I'll be going in, but we'll see as we go along. And I have some Skill and Stick Gemstones here. They are from Walmart. You can find these on a half-sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, or if you'll be using the project extensively for a period of time, you may want to go with E6000 or an epoxy bond to help it make it permanent. And these are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam crystal floral hurricanes turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now, I did go ahead and switch out the bases on these. There's two different bases. I have a very elaborate base here, and then I have a simpler base. It's just a cut glass base. And you guys let me know in the comments section below which ones you prefer. Do you prefer a more elaborate base or a simpler base? And I will, as we're showing different decorating shots, I will show you guys the third base, which is that little small candle holder base as well. And then you guys just let me know which ones you prefer. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Okay, well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.